This will be the best style video you ever watch. I'm gonna give you 10 steps to dress better than anyone around you, starting with number 1. Identify your personal style. Then find what looks good on you. See, you need to understand, okay, what's my career? What do I do on a daily basis? What do I need that's functional? This matters when it comes to your personal style, right? So you need to find what's your personal style. What do you feel comfortable in? Because at the end of the day, that's what's gonna make you feel the most confident in. Once you identify that, we're starting good. Number 2, invest in quality pieces that fit well and are comfortable. This is so key, boys. You have to understand, fit and comfort are the 2 metrics that I would say drive your confidence. When you start focusing, all right, this fits right, it looks good, I feel good. You know that first day of school fit, you perfect it right, when you throw it on, you're just like, whoa, yo, I'm gonna be a problem today. You're not actually a problem, you don't actually end up getting the number, but you feel like a problem. I want that feeling every day of the week. And you start doing that when you focus on those 2 things, fit, comfort. This takes me to number 3. Develop a wardrobe that fits your daily lifestyle and daily activities. This kind of relates to number 1, but most of you don't realize or focus that enough, right? When you buy, let's say this cardigan, this is our new essentials cardigan. When you are thinking about buying this piece, think about, all right, can I wear this to work? Can I wear this in my daily activities? Do I go out enough? Do I go on dates? Do I go out parties? Do I go to work event? Like, what is it that you do on a daily basis? Does this fit that? If you start asking yourself those questions, I promise you, you will start spending less money on dumb things you do not need that end up just collecting dust in your closet. Number 4, stay up to date with current fashion trends and don't be afraid to experiment. I'm all about traditionalism and classics and basics. I love that stuff. But at the end of the day, I've been in style for about 10 years now, 10 years. If I were to just wear the same pieces for the last decade, I would have gotten bored out of my mind. And I would have dressed like a robot. That's why you see my style have developed so much along the years, where I started introducing new style aesthetics. And you see it in my essentials collections too, right? Like, bro, this new cardigan and our new tank top, our tank top sold out actually, so you can't even get this tank top. You missed out, by the way. You should have picked it up. But we just dropped this cardigan like 2 weeks ago. I don't even know if you can, bro. I wish you could feel something right now. This is the heaviest weight cardigan. So I took inspiration from our heavyweight collection, and I wanted like premium knit that felt just as heavy. Cardigan's next level, bro. It's like 35 degrees outside. This cardigan's keeping me warm. It's super thick. The cream color is ultra versatile, right? Like you can mix and match with whatever. Because I added both traditionalism and a little bit more of my modern heavyweight stuff, like I feel like the styles and aesthetics are so different. They're so creative, and that's what's propelling my designs forward. And what I hope that when you introduce one of my essential pieces to your wardrobe, propels your outfits forward. So I want to hook it up. I'm going to give you guys, let's call it the heavyweight sweater collection. Yo, we're in the middle of winter. It's cold. I want you to have clean pieces. If you guys want our new cardigan, our new heavyweight crew necks, which the material, bro, the softness of the material is insane. And our new heavyweight knit sweaters, which actually I think we might be almost sold out. So there's like 5 pieces, which means first come, first serve. For the first 5, they click the link down below and check out that bundle. You're gonna get all 3 sweaters, the new cardigan, the new heavyweight knits, and the new heavyweight crew necks, which are almost sold out. You're gonna get all that plus 30% off if you shop it right now. Now you have 3 new unique sweaters, the freshest stuff we've dropped with essentials that I promise you will level up your fits. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. Number 5, pay attention to details such as fabric, color, and composition. You have to understand, nowadays everyone's into the basics and premium essentials and luxury, the skims, the cotton, right? Everyone's into that stuff. And by the way, I still love that premium luxury athleisure. But at the end of the day, if you really want to like switch it up, I don't know if you guys notice it, but I express my creativity through my collections and essentials, right? Notice how much texture I'm adding to my stuff. The suedes, the corduroys, the cable knits, the heavy knits, right? I'm adding texture because now I'm focusing in on the details, right? Because if you really want to step out with your style and dress better than everyone else, there has to be a differentiator, right? You can't dress better than other people and dress the same. It's impossible. Like, it logically doesn't make sense. So start paying attention to the details, right? The cable knit stuff, the suedes, the corduroys. There's so much textures to play with that you can really Just bring your outfits to life. And by the way, it makes it comfortable, which adds on to what I've been saying previously. You feel great when you wear this stuff. This cable knit feels ultra soft. You have to start playing with textures and start paying attention to the details. Number 6, accessorize, but do it tastefully. There's no worse thing than the guy that just over-accessorizes thinking that you're going to overcompensate for a bad outfit. Accessories are a great thing. The rings, the watches, the bracelets, the necklaces, the sunglasses, they're a great thing. But you got to do it tastefully. You have to limit yourself. Usually, if you're just starting and you don't know how to do that, try not to wear one in every category, right? Don't do like the ring, the watch, the bracelet, the necklace, the sunglasses, because now you just look a little too heavy, especially if you don't know how to do it yet. Try to pick 1 or 2 categories, right? Maybe today you'll do sunglasses and watch, or necklace and sunglasses, right? Switch it up, play with a few categories, and then try to accessorize tastefully. 7, keep your clothes well maintained. Such a simple tip that nobody does, right? Fold what needs to be folded. Hang your stuff. Make sure it's fresh. Make sure it's clean. Make sure you've washed it. Make sure you've ironed your stuff. Just taking care of your clothes, not only will it save you money in the long run because now you're not going through items because they wear and tear easily, but you're also looking better than most other dudes because most dudes don't even iron their stuff. Take care of your appearance. If you dress well, but you look bummy, your beard's a mess, you haven't had a haircut, you have acne, it won't matter. You have to take care of your grooming first because that's what matters. You're the vehicle that's carrying the clothes. So if you don't look good, it doesn't matter what you throw on it, it still won't look good. Have a proper grooming routine. Dress for the occasion. If you want to dress better than other men, don't try to overdress them by dressing differently than the occasion asks for, right? If it's a date, do something that's respectable. If it's casual with friends, right, do the athleisure. If it's at work, do something mature that shows your maturity and your level of intellect. Like, clothing sends a message, and you should be able to pinpoint what items go in every situation in your life so you're both functional and stylish.